Are you thinking of shifting your career into data science and AI but not taking any action? Or maybe you have taken up some course but couldn't complete it? Now, you know that data and AI are transforming every industry, and the average data scientist salary in India is 14 LPA, and if you have 4 years experience, you will be at 50 LPA. Now, look at the industries. For example, cab aggregator. The biggest one is Uber, and look at how data savvy they are. Take any example of any industry like e-commerce, retail, finance, and look at the biggest players in this, and look at how much data they are storing today. And these companies are looking for data scientists who can generate ROI from the data they have been storing. And you can be one of them. To help your dreams come true, we have designed this Data Science Foundation Bootcamp, which will be your gateway into the world of data and AI. In just 5 days, you will learn data manipulation, data visualization, and essential mathematics, which powers the machine learning models, all in a live and engaging interactive environment. Now, let me tell you 4 reasons why you should choose this bootcamp. The first reason, it's live. Our live classes are created to be engaging, structured, and with a lot of practical examples. Second, curriculum. Our curriculum has helped more than 1,000 genuine successful data science transition stories. And third, mentor. That's me. I am Prithvi P. I'm a gold medalist for research from NIT Warangal, and I have been training data scientists for the last 7 years with around 5,000 hours of teaching experience. And fourth, beginner friendly. This course is designed for people who have never coded in the past or who have forgotten the math. So, whether you're looking to change careers or transition internally or enhance your current skill set, then this bootcamp is for you. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of data science, apply with the link below and join us for the 5-day Data Science Foundations Bootcamp.